morning. Happy Monday. Still very pregnant, guys. 38 weeks today. 38 weeks. Be, today is a good day. Huh? Today is a good day. Daddy, hindi na siya ganun ka-busy. Daddy slept. He went to work already. I'm ready.
Photos.
Hmm?
Can I see our baby? Our little sister.
Yung videos namin ba, nung maliit pa si Arla. Cute. Breakfast tayo. The kids had breakfast already because they woke up really early. I didn't vlog yesterday because pagising ko kahapon, I wasn't feeling that well. Like, sobrang hindi ako komportable. Again, I'm gonna say it again. Kala ko kahapon na siya lalabas. Alam mo yung, ay naku, ibang-iba ka talaga, Day. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Ay. Akala ko kahapon siya lalabas. Pero nagpunta pa din kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. Kasi party ni Eli kahapon. Birthday niya nung Thursday. Kahapon yung party. So pumunta kami doon. Sabi pa namin punta tayo ng maaga just in case lumabas siya. At least nakapunta tayo ba. We were present sa birthday ng pamangkin natin. And she didn't come. Sinabihan na ni Dan lahat. Baka lumabas to mamaya ha. Mag-ready na kayo. Pinagganon-ganon pang buang. Everyone is so excited. I am so excited now. Tapos biglang naglalabasan yung mga video ni Ayla nung ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo. Yung video namin nung mga bata pa sila. And now I am more excited to see you, Baba. But if you want to take your time, go take your time. I understand kung gusto mong i-take yung time mo dyan. Kasi the longer you're there, the better, diba? Kaya lang, bakit mo pinapa-feel sa akin lahat ng mga discomfort na ito? Na parang pinapahiwatig mo, nalalabas ka na, tas hindi pala. Ay. I know, paulit-ulit na lang ako, but yeah. Yun yung nararamdaman ko eh. So, yung pregnancy book ko, nasa hospital bag ko na, yung Medicare cards ko, niready na din namin, nilagay na namin doon, kasi akala namin talaga, kagabi na kami, pupunta ng ospital. Nope. Ang aga ko pa napatulog yung mga bata, kasi they were tired din from the cousin's house. Hindi nakapag-nap si Arlo. So, ang aga niya natulog. Wala pang 9, tulog na. Tulog na yung dalawa. Wala. Hindi talaga eh. That's a fish. Is that our video? Anyway, she's still here. And that's okay. I'm having just regular hot coffee today because the kids woke up really early kasi nga ang aga nilang natulog kagabi. And Dad took care of them. So, Dad gave them breakfast while I laid in bed for a little bit. Kasi, hindi nga ako nakakatulog na ng maayos. Kahit nang aga namin nasa bed kagabi, I slept siguro mga 12 something na. And I keep waking up like every hour. Literal talaga guys na every hour na ako nagigising ngayon because I'm just so uncomfortable. It's different, this one. It's just so different. And I'm just thinking, just being positive, iniisip ko, siguro, pinapa-feel na niya sa akin ngayon, like weeks, even a month before her delivery, pinapa-feel na niya sa akin para, hopefully, during the day, it's easy peasy, she will just come out. Diba? Ganyan, no? Ganyan yung plano natin, diba, Baba? Nire-ready mo yung aking sistema ngayon para pagdating sa araw, diretso ka na labas. Walang pahirap-hirap kay mami, di ba, Ma'am? Yun yung plano namin yung dalawa. Sabi niya, pahirapan kita ng bunggang-bungga talaga, mami. Tapos labas ako agad. Aray, uy. Ay. Yung puwerta ko talaga, feeling ko bugbog na. TMI. Sakit-sakit kasi dun, guys. Sakit-sakit talaga dun. Pag lakad mo ba, parang bumababa siya ng bumababa. So, syempre, dun siya tumatama. Sakit-sakit na talaga ng puwerta ko. And I wasn't like this with Ayla and Arlo. Like, yeah, may mga days na masakit, but hindi araw-araw. Ito yung araw-araw ako, ilang weeks na. But that's okay. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. It's okay. Take your time ka dyan. Take your time talaga naman. We have balloons from yesterday. And that's keeping them entertained. And look at Ayla. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. But merong mga maliliit na balloons na pinag-kumpul-kumpul niya, guys. Yung skinny long balloons. Since yesterday, she's been playing with it. She's wearing it. And she loves it. She loves it. I usually put my spread here. Yung spread, yung bread spread natin ba sa Pilipinas. Wala na dun sa fridge. Sabi ni Dan, expired. Alam niyo naman yung asawa ko. Lalo na ngayon na manganganak na ako. Araw-araw nag-check ng fridge kung anong dapat itapon, kung anong... Parang alam mo yung kapag may bisita, aligaga. Siya naman, kasi manganganak na ako, aligaga siya araw-araw. So our fridge is free of expired food. It is always free of expired food, but now it's crazy. Tinignan ko kagabi, sabi ko, nasaan na yung spread ko? It's expired. Feeling ko hindi pa siya expired. Feeling ko may expire pa siya next week, but got rid of it. Pero yung ginaganyan niya, yung fridge lang. Kasi yung pantry hindi niya ginagalaw. So ngayon, I'm eating toast with butter. But that's okay. Yung laundry namin wala na sa schedule. Pagpapalit ng sheets namin, halos hindi pa abutin ng week, nagpapalit kami ng sheets. Ay naku si Danny Boy. Algaga talaga siya, guys. Lalo na after niya na-meet yung midwife. Sabado lang yun, ha. Kasi sabi sa amin ng midwife, just in case mag-progress yung labor mo ng sobrang bilis, na wala ka ng time na sumakay ng car, huwag kang sasakay ng car. Try and take care of it sa bahay. And then call the ambulance and then call me. Sabi ng midwife. Sabi ni Dan, saan ka nakatira? Sabi niya, I'm not far, 10-15 minutes away. So doon, sabi ko, sus, sinabi mo yan sa asawa ko, magtataranta na naman yan. After doon, kung ano-ano na pinagagawa, guys, sa bahay. Aligaga. Ay, naku. Naalala ko one time, I was pregnant. I was fully pregnant with Arlo. And kabuwanan ko na din. I'm pretty sure we were from Ingle Farm. Driving, hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko to. We were driving home. And then biglang sumakit yung tiyan ko na nasa car kami. So, syempre, he's driving. Pasahero ako. Sabi ko, ay, sakit ng tiyan ko. Tapos nagpanic siya, guys. Magugaw na sana siya, red light. Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Sinabi ko na masakit yung tiyan ko. Hindi ka na sumusunod sa traffic light. Natataranta siya. Kaya sabi ng midwife, kung sobrang bilis talaga ng labor niya, gusto nang lumabas ni baby, just pull her out. Sinabi niya kay Dan, pull the baby out and keep the baby warm. Utak ni Dan, anong pull out? Anong pull out the baby? Nakakaloka ka. Pero pag tinitingnan mo siya, blank lang yung ano niya, nakatiting lang siya sa midwife, parang tinatry niyang i-absorb, pero ayaw niyang i-absorb. Pero sabi ko, it's okay baby. Kaya ko yan i-pull out. Kasi alam ko kung ano-ano na pumapasok sa isip niya. Ano lang naman, sinasabi lang ng midwife ba na kasi third baby na nga, baka lumabas bigla ba? Ayaw mong sa sasakyan siya lumabas. So, mas much better na nasa bahay. Tapos tumawag ka ng ambulance, they will come to you. Tapos tawagan mo ako. Baka ako pa mauna sa ambulance, sabi niya. Alam mo yun, kasi nga kabuwanan ko na, sinishare niya lang or sinasabi niya lang yung mga information na kailangan namin malaman or mga just in case ito mangyari, ito gagawin mo. Excuse me.
Why did photos in Port Lincoln?
Sorry?
Why did photos in Port Lincoln?
Photos?
No. Why did it put photos in Port Lincoln?
Floaties. Port Lincoln? Did we swim in Port Lincoln?
Yeah. Mama.
No, I don't think we did. Port Lincoln? I don't think we
Swim in the water park in the pool.
A water park, water park.
In the pool.
Was it Port Lincoln or
And Holly was there.
Holly was there? Renmark?
Rainbow, yeah.
Yeah, Renmark, not Port Lincoln.
Why is Batman rainbow?
Because they have a water park.
But why did it wear floaties?
I don't think we brought floaties for you, but then Daddy bought floaties the next day, I think.
Why?
That was when you didn't really like the water. Remember?
Why did
We had to hold you. You went on a stage where you didn't want to go in the water and you were scared. But now you're very, very good.
but I don't want to wear floaties.
Yeah, you're a big girl now. You don't need floaties anymore?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I just don't like a big water.
Not the big water.
I
Yeah.
don't like the beach.
You don't like the beach. Okay. Just the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't eat the water park.
You don't want the water park?
Yeah.
Okay. So just a swimming pool.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a small one, a rainbow mermaid one. It has a slide too.
Aw.
A rainbow slide.
You want a rainbow slide swimming pool?
Yeah.
Okay. I am just editing. Yung editing kasi, okay lang naman siya as long as okay yung mga bata. Nagagawa ko siya kasi nakaupo lang ako. And itong mga balloons na to, ang laking tulong. Kanina pa siya dyan. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa niya. Oh, pinagbubuhol-buhol niya nga to lahat. So, hindi niya ako hinihila para makipaglaro sa kanya. Tapos yung isa din, ang bait-bait. So, in fairness naman, naka-edit ako ng thumbnail habang fini-feel tong aking isa pang anak. She keeps moving and every time kasi nga gumagalaw siya. Ang sakit-sakit na kasi wala na siyang malaking room dyan. Diba? Hindi na ganun kalaki yung room mo. So, lahat ng movement niya napipil ko. And yeah. You alright, Papa? You need help with what? Nakita niyo ba yun? What? Tuck it in here? Okay, let's see.
But tie it now.
Tie it? Okay. There you go. It's tied. Oh, that's my hair tie? What? You put my hair tie in your balloon?
Yeah.
You love this balloon so much. Who gave this to you?
This one.
Auntie Anne's. And this one, Uncle Tristan.
This one.
Auntie Anne's gave it to you, remember?
This one. Why can't stick in the air?
Huh? Because it's heavy. This one is heavy. See?
I have an idea.
You got an idea? Tumanda ba?
That's the rainbow.
Lagi nag-check si Dan. Kumusta ka na?
Can you make a
Darating na ba?
Can you make a backpack for me?
A backpack?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook lunch. What do you want me to do? Smaller what? A small backpack? I'm gonna need to cook lunch so we can eat lunch. Oh my gosh, this is so complicated now. I don't know what to do. Good? Huh? I'm just gonna cook lunch, okay? And then we can all eat. Meron akong pork belly na gusto kong lutuin ng sisig, gusto kong mag-menudo. Marami akong gustong gawin, gusto kong magnilaga. Kaya lang, naisip ko baka lumabas siya. Hindi ko siya maluto, masayang yung pork ko. Alam mo yun? So, hindi ko na talaga alam. Meron akong pork belly sa freezer. Malaki siya, guys. So, kapag tino ko siya, dapat at least 2 putahe yun. Well done. Gamitin natin yung pinaglagyan ng cereal. Yung ayaw mo ng marami ugasin din.
Uy, ang ingay-ingay naman natin mga kids.
Alright, lunch namin to guys. Subuan ko lang yung kids kasi ayoko nang hugasin. What's the name of this pasta, my love? Cannelloni. Cannelloni for dinner. You want some? Yeah, that's good actually, babe. Lagay lang tayo parmesan.
Can I taste that cheese?
Binili lang to ni Dan sa parang Italian deli. Tapos meron siyang laman. Ilagay ko lang siya sa oven ng 40 minutes. Marami to eh. Nandun yung kay Dan nasa. Yung kay Dan 4. 2 yung akin. Kumain na yung mga bata, hindi na nakapaghintay. 40 minutes kasi ito sa oven. What meat is it?
I got no idea.
It's good. This is actually good, my love. Yeah. Do they have any other meals there?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, no. Bilis lang. Lagay mo lang sa oven. Must be beef.
It's good though. Good pasta.
It is good, yeah.
You never had this before?
No. This is very easy as well. Alo, do you want some pasta? Is it a local, like, Italian deli? Yeah.
Have you been inside before?
I don't think so. Oh. This is really good. It's something easy. So when you buy it, just don't forget to buy parmesan as well because the cheese.
I put extra parmesan as well.
Video. So is this your mom's? Oh. Ella, do you wanna try my pasta? Come here. Because after we eat, Daddy will give you a bath. What?
Did she finish her food?
It's pasta. Do you wanna try? Hello? Look at mommy's food. Look. Come here. Do you wanna try pasta? Yes, pasta. Try. Come here. Oh, Daddy. Okay. Okay, Daddy's pasta. Try Daddy's pasta. Blow? I'm wondering what kind of meat it is. Must be beef. What do you think? Can you taste?
Maybe minced veal.
Veal. Yeah, it can be another day. No indie, my love. Still have tonight.
We'll see.
We'll see. Baby girl's name is Indy, 4-letter word. So it's I-N-D I. Final na? Yeah. Final na yung I. Sinisip namin Y or I. But, we'll go I. Alam nyo ba na yung Sari yung pangalan ni Arlo kung naging babae siya? So we picked this name. Matagal na. Pareho ng pangalan ni Arlo. We picked Arlo's name as well. even before we knew Arla's gender. So mas may lalaki pa kami na pangalan kaysa sa babae nung nabuntis ako kay Ayla. So ako yung nakaisip ng pangalan ni Ayla. Ako din yung nakaisip ng pangalan ni Arlo, pero nag-agree agad si Dan sa pangalan ni Arlo.
E-S-L-A.
That's right.
E-S-L-A. Ayla.
Nag-agree agad si Dan sa pangalan ni Arlo. Hindi pa namin alam yung gender ni Ayla nito ha. Nag-suggest ako ng Ayla. Medyo ganun-ganun pa siya nung simula, but na-convince ko naman siya.
E-S-L-A-N-M.
E-S-L-A. How about Indy? I? N? You don't know how to do it? That's what I'm teaching you. I? N? Oh, you wanna try? It's really yummy. It's pasta. Tapos nung si Arlo na, yun na, may pangalan na kami. Indy or Arlo. Ngayon na babae, may pangalan na kami guys. Matagal na kami may pangalan. Tatlo actually yung options namin. I-N-D-I-E. Kaya lang magiging 5 letters na siya. Yung gusto namin i-4 letters kasi nga si Arlo at si Ella. Or Y or I. Pili namin yung I. Kapag naging lalaki yun, hindi namin alam kung anong pangalan. If it was a boy, what would it be? The name?
Enzo.
Kaya lang hindi pa ako, I'm not convinced with Enzo.
You know?
Oh.
Alonzo.
Alonzo is really long. Gusto niya yung pangalan na Alonzo because he wanted the nickname Zo. But no, Indy's good. Yeah? You like Indy?
I chose it.
You chose it.
I did.
Napili na namin siya lahat, di ba? Decided na kami na yun na yung pangalan ni Arlo nga kapag naging babae siya. We find out na yun yung pangalan ng aso ni ganito. Same with Arlo. When I was pregnant with Arlo and we already picked his name, one of your workmates had their dog named Arlo. Yeah. But, yeah.
Out of all the kids' names, which one's your favourite? Favourite's the least favourite name.
Oh, don't do that. I really like Arlo.
Out of all the names, Arlo's my least favourite.
Really? Oh, I love your name, Baba. I love your name. I chose your name. Of course, I love your name. For a girl's name,
I like Arlo as well.
yeah, for a girl's name, I love Ayla. Well, for a boy's name, I really like Arlo because it's nice and short. And I love Ayla as well because it's nice and short, and Indy as well. I don't have a favorite.
Arlo, Indy, Arlo.
Arlo's last. How crazy is that? Like, fast forward to 3 kids now, and Arlo's his last favorite name. Name lang, ha? Do you remember when I was pregnant with Ayla, you really wanted a boy? You wanted a boy.
Why you wanted a boy, Dad?
Because boys are easier than girls.
No. It doesn't matter.
It matters.
No. And look at you. You turned out such a perfect. You're the best ate.
You're a very good Arlo.
She is the best ate. The sweetest, the most caring.
Arlo. Arlo. Arlo.
Arlo is Daddy's
Arlo.
favorite boy.
Arlo.
Your favorite?
He is my favorite too. You guys are my favorite. I don't have
Arlo,
favorites.
come here.
Mr. Lamoni, I said I'm not a kid.
Come to Daddy.
Mrs. Simone said you're not a kid because you're not a kid. You're an ate. Did you tell her I'm gonna have a little sister very soon, Mrs. Simone?
No, very
Huh?
soon.
No, very soon. She's gonna come out very soon.
I didn't notice this on Friday. Who are these girls?
Oh yeah, ask her. Is
What's
this?
that noise?
That's my belly. Is this
No,
Alana?
it's not my belly.
Was it your belly? Is this Alana or Addison? Addison is the one with the glasses, yeah?
Who's this girl?
Alana.
Alana. That's Alana. So we've got 3 constant names now that are her friends. Alana, Addison, and Sonoma.
I can't find Isla. Where's Isla? Is that your head pointed up?
Aw, look at you, Baba. You love school so much?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.